Looking for the best iron for clothes but not sure which one actually gets the job done? Welcome back to US Buyer Picks. Today I'm reviewing 5 of the best irons for clothes you can buy right now. We'll look at steam power, ease of use, build quality, and overall value, so you can find the right one without wasting your money. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. PerSteam Steamburst Plus 1750W Steam Iron, Ceramic Soleplate, Adjustable Steam, Burst of Steam, Self-Clean, Anti-Calc, Anti-Drip, Powerful and Long-Lasting Steam for all fabrics. The PerSteam Steamburst Plus 1750W is what many US buyers would call a step-up iron, something you buy when you're tired of weak steam and want faster, more effective results at home. What this iron is best known for in the US market is power and consistency. With 1750 watts and a large water tank, it's designed for people who iron regularly, think work clothes, uniforms, or big weekend laundry sessions. This isn't a lightweight, occasional use iron. It's built to actually handle real workloads. In real-world American use, this fits perfectly in households where ironing is part of the routine. If you're getting ready for work during the week, pressing dress shirts, or dealing with thick fabrics like denim or cotton, this iron makes a noticeable difference. The strong steam output and burst function help flatten stubborn wrinkles faster, which saves time, something busy US households care about. One of the biggest strengths here is the ceramic soleplate. It glides smoothly across different fabrics and distributes heat evenly, so you don't get that dragging or sticking feeling. The adjustable steam and temperature settings also make it flexible. You can switch from delicate fabrics like silk to heavier materials without worrying about damage. Another major advantage is the large water tank, which gives you longer continuous steam sessions without constant refilling. That's huge if you're ironing multiple outfits in one go. Plus, features like self-clean, anti-calc, and anti-drip make it easier to maintain over time, especially in US areas with hard water. But here's the honest downside. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Easy Steam Compact Iron for Clothes, Automatic Shutoff, Non-Stick Plate, Lightweight, 1200 watts. The BLACK+DECKER Easy Steam Compact Iron is the opposite of the PerSteam. It's all about simplicity, affordability, and ease of use. In the US market, this iron is known as a basic, no-hassle option. It's widely used in apartments, dorms, and households that just need something reliable for occasional ironing. It's not trying to impress with power, it's trying to make ironing easy and accessible. In real-world American use, this is perfect for quick tasks. Think about ironing a shirt before work, smoothing out clothes for a meeting, or handling light fabrics like t-shirts and dress shirts. It heats up quickly and gets the job done without requiring much setup or effort. The biggest strength here is lightweight design. It's easy to handle, easy to store, and comfortable for short sessions. That makes a big difference for people who don't want a heavy iron sitting in their closet. Another key advantage is the Smart Steam technology, which automatically adjusts steam levels based on temperature settings. This removes guesswork, making it beginner-friendly, especially useful in households where multiple people might use the iron. It also includes auto shutoff, which is a big safety feature. If you forget to turn it off, it shuts itself down, which is important in busy US homes. But let's be real about the downsides. This iron is not powerful. At 1200 watts, it struggles with heavy fabrics or deep wrinkles compared to stronger models. The steam output is decent but not strong, and the smaller water tank means more frequent refills. Also, this is not built for heavy-duty use. If you're ironing multiple outfits regularly, it can feel slow and less efficient. Number 3. 1500W Cordless Iron for Clothes, Wireless Steam Iron with Rapid Heating and Auto Shut-Off, for effective wrinkle removal. The 1500W cordless iron is one of those products that immediately stands out in the US market for one reason: freedom of movement. No cord dragging across your ironing board, no getting tangled, no pulling your clothes out of place. That's the main selling point here. What this iron is best known for is convenience. In the US, especially in apartments, dorms, or smaller laundry spaces, people appreciate tools that are easier to handle. A cordless iron gives you that flexibility, making it easier to move around garments, especially larger items like bedsheets or curtains. In real-world American use, this iron works best for quick, flexible ironing sessions. For example, if you're ironing a few shirts before work or touching up clothes before heading out, the cordless design feels smooth and hassle-free. It heats up quickly and delivers solid steam performance for everyday fabrics like cotton and polyester. The biggest strength here is clearly mobility. You can iron without fighting the cord, which makes the process feel faster and less frustrating. It also includes features like auto shut-off, anti-drip, and adjustable steam, which are standard but important for safety and ease of use in US households. But here's the honest trade-off, and this is important. Cordless irons don't stay hot forever. They rely on a base to reheat, and after a short period, you'll need to place the iron back to maintain temperature. That means for longer ironing sessions, especially large laundry loads, it can feel less efficient compared to traditional corded irons. Number 4. Rowenta Focus Excel Steam Iron for Clothes, Anti-Drip Protection, Iron Steamer for Clothes, 1725 watts, DW5280. The Rowenta Focus Excel is what many US buyers consider a premium performance iron without going fully professional. Rowenta has a strong reputation in the US for durability and steam power, and this model leans heavily into that. What this iron is best known for is powerful steam output and precision ironing. At 1725 watts, it's designed for people who want fast results and smoother finishes, especially on work clothes like dress shirts, slacks, and uniforms. In real-world US use, this iron fits perfectly into households where ironing is part of a routine. Think about prepping clothes for the workweek, ironing multiple outfits on a Sunday, or handling heavier fabrics like denim. This iron is built for that kind of workload. One of the biggest strengths here is steam distribution. Rowenta irons are known for having a large number of steam holes across the soleplate, which helps remove wrinkles more evenly and quickly. That means fewer passes over the same area and faster results overall. It also includes anti-drip protection and strong build quality, which makes it feel more durable compared to cheaper irons. Now let's talk about the downsides. This iron is heavier and more powerful, which can feel tiring during long sessions if you're not used to it. It also requires a bit more attention when adjusting temperature and steam settings compared to beginner-friendly irons. Who should buy this? This is perfect for US buyers who iron frequently or in large batches, want strong steam and faster results, care about crisp, professional-looking clothes. Number 5. Butyryl Steam Iron for Clothes with Precision Thermostat Dial, Ceramic-Coated Soleplate, 3-way auto-off, self-cleaning, anti-calcium, anti-drip. The Butyryl Steam Iron is one of those products that sits right in the middle of the US market, not too basic, not too advanced. It's designed for buyers who want to step up from entry-level irons without going into premium territory. What this iron is best known for is balance and ease of use. It includes a ceramic-coated soleplate, a precision thermostat dial, and safety features like 3-way auto shut-off, which makes it appealing for everyday American households. In real-world US use, this iron works well for mixed laundry needs. Maybe you're ironing a few work shirts, some casual clothes, and occasionally heavier fabrics. This iron gives you enough flexibility to handle all of that without being overly complicated. One of the biggest strengths is the ceramic soleplate, which glides smoothly across fabrics and distributes heat evenly. That makes ironing feel easier and reduces the risk of sticking or burning delicate materials. Another advantage is the 3-way auto shut-off, which is a major safety feature in US homes. If the iron is left unattended, it shuts off automatically, giving peace of mind, especially in busy households. Maintenance is also easier thanks to self-cleaning and anti-calcium features, which help extend the lifespan of the iron, particularly in areas with hard water. That's my breakdown of the top irons for clothes available right now. Each one fits a different need, whether you want something simple or more powerful for heavy use. If this helped you out, check the links in the description for the latest prices, and don't forget to subscribe to US Buyer Picks for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.